Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI Content Center, there's something you need to know first. This tool claims it can replace ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and multiple expensive writing tools. Sounds insane, right? But here's the real question: is this actually the ultimate AI content machine, or just another overhyped launch product designed to take your money? And before we continue, if you decide to grab AI Content Center today, make sure you use my link below because I'm including 2 exclusive bonuses designed to help you actually make money with this tool. What is AI Content Center? It's an all-in-one AI content platform that gives you access to multiple premium AI models like Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, all from one dashboard. Instead of paying monthly for 5 different AI tools, AI Content Center combines everything into one platform where you can create eBooks, SEO articles, sales pages, email sequences, video scripts, product reviews, social media posts, and basically any type of long-form content in minutes. Benefits: why people are interested. Most AI tools today are expensive. You pay $20 for ChatGPT, $50 plus for SEO tools and more for copywriting apps, and suddenly you're spending hundreds every month. AI Content Center removes that problem completely. Here's what makes it interesting: one-time payment, multiple AI models in one place, beginner-friendly dashboard, commercial license included, long-form content generation and no complicated prompting skills needed. And honestly, the biggest advantage is speed. You can generate full content assets in minutes instead of spending hours writing manually. Inside AI Content Center, you get access to complete ebook creator, SEO article generator, AI sales page writer, email swipe generator, script creator for YouTube and TikTok, AI rewriter and expander, headline and hook generator, tone adjustment tools, built-in SEO optimization and multi-language support. Plus, you can switch between different AI models depending on the type of content you want. That's actually one of the strongest features here. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: very affordable, multiple AI models included, great for marketers and affiliates, beginner-friendly, commercial license included and saves a lot of time. Cons: AI content still needs human editing sometimes, internet connection required and advanced users may still prefer custom prompting. Honestly, the value is pretty crazy. Results: what to expect? If you actually use the tool, you can create affiliate blogs, write YouTube scripts, sell ebooks, start freelancing, offer copywriting services and build content agencies. But let's be real, this is not a magic money button. It's a tool that can massively speed up your workflow and content production. Now let's talk about my exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, AI Affiliate Review Script Vault, value, $599. I'm giving you a collection of high-converting review video scripts, hooks, CTAs, and psychological templates specifically designed for affiliate marketers. Bonus 2, AI Content Profit Blueprint, value, $447. This is my step-by-step guide showing you how to turn AI-generated content into income using blogging, affiliate marketing, freelancing, digital products and YouTube automation. Total bonuses value over $1,000, yours free through my link. So, is AI Content Center worth it? In my opinion, if you create content, do affiliate marketing, blogging, freelancing, YouTube, or digital products, then yes. So if you want to check out AI Content Center and lock in all my bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.